Welcome to Toyota Teammates Advanced Drive. The Advanced Drive function is state-of-the-art driving assist technology designed to partner with you, the driver, while you're on the highway. While it is not an automated driving system, Advanced Drive enables assistance with steering, acceleration, and braking, all under your active supervision. The owner's manual details the key conditions that must be met for Advanced Drive to operate. When these operating conditions are met, both the head-up display and the instrument panel will display Advanced Drive Ready. To activate Advanced Drive, press the Advanced Drive main switch.
Advanced Drive activated.
The system also provides audible notifications. Advanced Drive is designed to be in constant communication with you, using the instrument panel and head-up display to provide you with information and messages. When Advanced Drive is active, the instrument panel displays your vehicle's status information, including the actual and set vehicle speed, and the vehicle-to-vehicle distance setting. This area shows the movement of your vehicle within its current lane, and the movement of vehicles in adjacent lanes. On the left side, the system prompts actions, such as asking if you'd like to pass slower traffic. And the driving plan lists upcoming Advanced Drive actions, including assisted lane changes and the approximate distance before those actions will be taken. Planned driving actions are listed with the soonest one on the bottom. It's important to note that while Advanced Drive uses route information based on the destination you set in the native navigation system, the plan shown in the instrument panel represents upcoming Advanced Drive actions, not turn-by-turn navigation directions. The head-up display also features a vehicle status area, indicating your vehicle's actual and set speed, the movement of your vehicle within its current lane, and upcoming Advanced Drive actions. The blue-colored theme in both the head-up display and instrument cluster indicates that you're able to drive hands-free. The theme turns gray when hands-on operation is required of you, and hands-on alerts appear here. Every lane change and most interchanges and exits are hands-on. You don't need to apply steering force. Just have your hands on the touch-sensitive steering wheel to let the system know that you're holding the wheel and are ready to take control if needed. The Advanced Drive system has an infrared driver monitor camera focused on you, making sure that you're actively engaged in driving. If the system judges you are not paying sufficient attention, Advanced Drive will disengage, requiring you to take over. Be aware that certain infrared blocking sunglasses or eyeglasses may prevent the system from going hands-free. Also, the camera may not have a clear view of the driver's face if the steering wheel is adjusted too far up or down in relation to the driver's face, which may prevent Advanced Drive from initializing. Here's a demonstration of how Advanced Drive executes a lane change for you while using navigation. Because Advanced Drive knows from the destination you set in the navigation system that there is a highway interchange about 3 miles ahead, it advises you that in preparation, it's going to attempt to change lanes to the right in less than half a mile. When the distance to the lane change approaches, the display color theme changes to gray, and the hands-on icon appears in both the instrument panel and the head-up display. This prompts you to hold the steering wheel lightly, but not to steer. With a beep, the system indicates that it is about to initiate a lane change, turns on the vehicle's turn signal, and identifies the target space it will attempt to move the vehicle into, and then prompts you in both the instrument panel and the head-up display to check your blind spot. Your head turn doesn't have to be long, but it needs to be deliberate, so the driver monitor camera can see you do it.
Right lane change starting.
Advanced Drive makes the lane change and may return the vehicle to hands-free mode, allowing you to remove your hands from the wheel if you wish. Keep in mind that while Advanced Drive is operating, you can still perform typical driving operations if you want to. Steering, braking, and accelerating. Be aware that pressing the brake pedal or operating the steering wheel more than a certain amount will deactivate Advanced Drive, returning full vehicle control to you. You can also use Advanced Drive without navigation for driving assistance on a route you already know well. Here's how it helps you pass a vehicle ahead while navigation is not in use. In this example, a vehicle has pulled in front of you and is traveling much slower than your set speed. The blue theme shows Advanced Drive is in hands-free mode and you have no set destination. When Advanced Drive senses it is safe to move into the next lane, it may ask you if you want to pass the vehicle ahead. Simply put your hands on the steering wheel and press the OK button on the left side.
Left lane change starting.
Advanced Drive switches to hands-on mode, prompts you to check your blind spot, and takes it from there, automatically engaging the turn signal and navigating the lane change. Here's how it looks in the head-up display.
Left lane change starting.
Advanced Drive can provide controlled driving operation until exiting the highway. In this example, a destination has been set and the exit is approaching. When you see the steering wheel symbol with the M in the upcoming Advanced Drive actions list, the system is telling you that you have to take over manual control of the vehicle in 0.2 of a mile because Advanced Drive will end. At that point, you will hear a tone and see this message. Simply tap on the brake or press the accelerator to resume control.
Advanced Drive ended.
Once again, in the head-up display.
Advanced Drive ended.
Those are the basics of the Advanced Drive system. While Advanced Drive is like having a partner along with you in the vehicle, please remember that you are responsible for safe driving at all times. Enjoy your Advanced Drive experience.